Ladies and gentlemen, old guy back again, Randy Cycle, with the the baby 300NK from CFMoto. This is the 2024. You have this really nice colorway. I like it. But I'm very partial to these lightweight, low displacement bikes. And this bike is like $4,180. So for the price, hey, that'd be a good little starter bike. I'm kind of curious how everybody else feels about these bikes, because it's an interesting time. We have so many entry-level bikes that are coming in under 5K, and even some of the bikes coming in a little bit above 5K. There's so many bikes to choose from, and this bike is, we'll go over the specs. I mean, this bike is, I believe, 29 brake horsepower on a little 292 single. It's not going to be the fastest bike in the world, but I think it's going to be a lot of fun. All right, so let's throw a leg over this and see the seat height, see how it sits. Listed seat height on is 31.2 inches. I am 5'9". I am 220 pounds, and I have a 30-inch inseam. I am flat-footed on this bike at 5'9". Reach to the bars, yeah, standard naked bike. It's upright. Get into the rear brake, put my feet in position. It's comfy. It's a very comfortable motorcycle. Legs fall right off the tank, which is really good. Is this bike going to be a good bike to commute on? Is it going to be a good bike to have fun, to learn how to ride, to get better at riding? Well, let's take it on the road and find out. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get on the road on the 2024 CFMoto 300NK. You know, really, again, it shocks me that CFMoto puts these TFT displays on a bike that's $4,199. It really does. This little 292cc single. It's not the fastest thing in the world, but you shouldn't expect it to be. I mean, it's 27 horsepower, only 19 foot-pounds of torque, something like that. It's very slender, very easy to ride. The clutch pull is super light. And the seat is quite comfy. I mean, it gets up to speed. I'm doing 60. It's not bad. 56 mile an hour, I'm doing roughly 52-50 RPMs. So your standard cruise, commute, that kind of thing, not bad. It's not bad at all. I don't know, I find it in that sweet spot of like dirt cheap motorcycles where, look, if I need something to ride, I can go buy this for like dirt cheap, and I have a brand new bike, and it'll do most of the commuting that most of the country has to do. Now, if I have a lot of interstate on my commute, then no, it changes the dynamic. I don't think I'd be I don't think I'd be taking this on a commute if I had to do the interstate. But a basic all-around commuter, this thing is really, really fine. Gotta be honest, I have missed doing this over the winter time because there's only been a few occasions where I've actually been able to go out and ride. And this is one of the greatest joys, just being able to go try different bikes. It's always a thrill to ride a new bike and take it out and take it for a ride. It's always a thrill. This bike is stupid light too. This thing does not feel like it weighs anything. Wet weight of 333, and it just is so light. I mean, that has its trade-offs too, obviously, especially if you're commuting. I mean, when you're going down the road, you get those days where it's windy, and yeah, the commute can kind of suck sometimes because you're getting pushed by cars, semis going the other way. The wind is pushing you from side to side. There's trade-offs to it. There really is. But again, you can't have everything in this world, so you gotta have trade-offs. Now, if you're gonna learn to ride, oh, good Lord. This bike is just stupid easy. It's not fast. It is not fast at all. But it's really fun though. And that's the most important thing about riding. Are you having a good time? Do you have a smile on your face? And yeah, I do. Yes, I do. You gotta love life. You have to enjoy it. You don't have a lot of time on it. And God, if you're not having fun in your life, you need to find something that'll let you have some fun. Because we're all living our lives and we're all fighting and we're all trying to survive. You're going to work every day, doing the everyday 9 to 5 thing or whatever, midnights. I've done it all myself. And as I've gotten older, I've realized, man, I should have had more fun. I should have enjoyed it more. That's why for me, when I get a chance to do these rides and share these experiences, just so good. God, this bike is so easy to ride. So easy. I can't get over how comfortable this bike actually feels. I've ridden a lot of low displacement bikes that they chintz out, the seat's terrible, it's very vibrational, and especially in a single 292cc single, I expected this to also be more vibrational. It's not. 3, 2, 1. Takes 5 gears to get there, but it gets there.
super fun. Made me smile. And honestly, that's what I want from a bike. Man, I've ridden so many bikes. The bikes that make me smile are the ones that I like. And don't get me wrong, most bikes make me smile. But it's just that feeling that I'm always chasing, that experience of the joy. And I love it. I absolutely love it. And I wish more people experience this. And I don't even care what bike you're on. You want to start riding on a 2024 CFMoto 300NK? Fantastic. Do that. It's great. It's a lot of fun. But if you want to ride something else, that's great too. As long as you're on two wheels. It's a great little beginner bike. It is a great little beginner bike. Let's flip a U-turn here. Right here. Yeah. Very easy. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. 2024 CFMoto 300NK. This is a phenomenal little beginner bike. It really is. I mean, it sounds like a lawnmower, but that's to be expected because it's a single. That's a baby S though. Shocking on a bike this size. Alright, everybody. If you like this kind of stuff, please subscribe. Love to have you on the channel. Love to hear your comments. Love to hear your thoughts. Your opinions matter. Your thoughts matter. And love to hear your sound off on what you think about this bike. Everybody stay safe. And as always, enjoy the ride. So turn your back on the